Okay, so we found a 1996 $800 Panasonic Palmcorder.
And it came with this customer care plan. We're gonna call and see if we can get this working again because the charger's broken. Anyway, so let's just empty the contents.
Try to get to a live representative.
Yeah, let's try to get to a human being. And you know what? Just for fun, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna do the robot in Spanish the second or third time, just to mix things up. So it's 1-800 blah 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 7. Let's just put it on speakerphone.
Panasonic, ideas for life. Para español, marque el 2. For quality purposes, your call may be recorded. I'm an automated assistant. You can speak naturally to me. How may I help you?
Okay. Hi, I'm having trouble with my Panasonic Palmcorder. It is not a phone.
Can you just tell me briefly why you called? You can say things like technical support, product information,
Technical support.
repair, or buy something. Or you can tell me the product. How can I help you?
Technical support.
Oh, tell her the product. That was an option.
Yeah, but then she'd think it was a phone.
What product are you calling about?
Panasonic Palmcorder. It is a camera.
I'll get you the right person to help if you just tell me what product you're calling about. Just say its name. For example, television, cordless phone, or microwave.
Camera.
Panasonic offers a variety of cameras and camcorders. Please select the product you're calling about. For digital still camera,
Just like
press 1.
Palmcorder.
For DVD or high-definition camcorder, press
That's not
2. For digital camcorder, press 3. For VHS-C camcorder, press 4.
Alright, press 4.
Want to hear some tips and frequently asked questions for your product? Yes or no, please?
No. Okay.
Did you purchase your product within the past 24 months? Yes
No.
or no, please?
It's from 1996. Who purchases?
No!
I said no. Like.
That's all right. Is your product covered by a customer care plan?
Yes.
Yes or no, please?
Yes!
Great. We are conducting a very brief survey after callers talk with our representative. Would you be willing to participate in the survey?
No!
I'll transfer you now. Please hold.
Thank you.
To a live representative?
Oh my god.
We've never gotten this far.
Thank you for calling the Panasonic Customer Call Center. For quality assurance purposes, this call may be monitored or recorded. Thank you.
Oh crap, we're gonna need to let them know that this is being recorded on our end. Let them know.
Panasonic. My name is Barry, and how may I assist you today?
Hi Barry, how's it going? I'm having trouble with an old camcorder that I have. Do you think you can help me with that?
Yes, sir. I would be happy to help you with the camcorder. So then, in that case, then what type of issues are you having with this unit?
Okay. We have a Panasonic Palmcorder, and the charger isn't working. So, what can we do about that?
Well, first of all, sir, I'm sorry to hear about the part that the charger isn't working. And I'll be wanting to just verify a few quick questions with you to verify.
Of course the charger isn't working. That's why we called.
Can you repeat that? I didn't understand what you said. I'm sorry.
I'm saying I'm going to ask you a few quick questions to verify this call, okay?
Okay.
Can I have your first and last name as well as zip code, please?
Yes. Or should I say bronze maza? No. Hello?
Yes, I didn't hear you clearly. May I have your first and last name as well as zip code, please?
Yes, my name's Ian Thompson.
That's Thompson.
Yes.
Well, your first name is IAN is in November.
Yeah.
My zip code.
18707.
18707. Thank you. Now, what is the model number of the camcorder you're talking about?
Is
PV-D406.
If that's the case, you said the PVD406?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. If you're wanting to try to get the charger for it, this is something that is strictly from the parts department. If this was something I thought this was something that you just bought yesterday or something.
No, it was purchased about 16 years ago.
Okay, but in that case, Mr. Thompson, may I place you on hold to get you to the parks department to get this?
Sure.
Thank you.
Wait, how are we gonna get the part? We don't have a credit card.
I don't know, but we're making big.
Can we see if we can get it for free with the customer plan?
Sure, Ian Thompson.
No, I don't want to do that.
I thought he thought your name was like Ian Pompton. I can't believe we're actually getting through.
Hello, welcome to Panasonic.
I couldn't figure out what he was saying.
Don't mean to be offensive, I'm sorry, but I couldn't understand it all.
Oh.
After factory warranty expires, continue to top performance of your Panasonic Palmcorders. This lasts forever. Hopefully.
Thank you for calling Panasonic support. Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance and training purposes. For English, press 2. For response, appuyez sur 4. Press 1 if you are a Panasonic consumer. Press 2 if you are a Panasonic dealer or distributor.
Excuse me?
Hi, thank you for calling the office. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was transferred here from technical support for parts.
Okay, what part did you need?
A charger for a Panasonic Palmcorder IQ.
Okay, what is the model number?
PV D406.
D is in ball, B is in boy, D is in David.
No. V, not B.
V is in.
V is in Valentine. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you want me to just repeat the model number?
Yes, I have it. BB
Mm-hmm.
406.
Yes.
You're looking for a charger, correct?
Yes.
Alright. Give me just one more.
Alrighty. I like this guy.
This is like.
If he'll just send it to us for free, could we like give him your address?
No. Yours.
Well, it's your camera.
What?
I'll just say we'll call back about it.
No. We're talking to a lot of people. I mean, automated Indians, other guy. It's like the United Nations of technology.
Oh god. Or Dell.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I don't think Dell has any English-speaking people. And I'm not trying to be offensive either. I've called Dell several times, and I've always heard, "Hello, my name is Robert. How may I be helping you today?" I'm liking his music. It's a very light-hearted deal. Let's let the camera do the talking. hang up? Because we're not going to actually order the part.
We're at 11 minutes. If you get to a live representative...
Yeah, hung up. But let's see if we can order the part on the internet.
Okay. So, if you people... Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll be cutting this and editing.
Oh, yeah.
Well, the part before this. But anyway, we're going to try the internet to get our charger. Because, it was a bit frustrating. First trying to get to a live representative, then trying to understand them, then trying to actually get to the right department.
Your parents home? Peter's just like staring at the garage door.
And that's usually the sign. eBay.com.
Much better than customer service.
I think Palmcorder is one word.
Yeah, oh. See it automatically. Ooh. Oh.
$35.
For the entire camera.
That's better than $800.
Yeah, dude, I could buy one for... Dude, I could just buy my own. You want to just buy a new one?
If you have the money.
Oh, yeah, I do at home.
Well, I guess that would be called a success. And we will see you guys next time.